Hey everyone, it's Yoslin and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm really excited because I have a jewelry haul. I love jewelry, so I'm really excited for this. I picked out a couple pieces from Atolea Jewelry and I'm going to be showing you guys them today. So this is the package here, and I have not opened it yet. I wanted to open it on camera, but I've been so excited for this. So this is the box. As you guys can see, it has the logo on there and it has a cute little turtle. Okay, this is what the inside of the box looks like. All the jewelry comes packed in the little baggies, which is also great for travel. If you travel a lot, you can just keep your jewelry in here. Guys, honestly, I kind of don't remember what I ordered, so this is going to be fun seeing it all. Okay, so in this first baggie, I got these earrings. Wait, I love these so much. They're just these simple little studded earrings. They're really shiny. And the great thing about their jewelry is you don't have to take it off. You can swim in it, you can go to the gym in it, you can literally do anything that you do in your day-to-day basis, and you don't have to worry about your jewelry messing up, which is something that I really love. I have 3 piercings, as you guys can tell, but these ones are just random earrings that I found. So I'll finally have cute new earrings. I've been wanting something like this for so long. So this one is a necklace. It's a tennis necklace. Guys, this is so shiny. I don't know if you guys can see this. The lighting might not, but it is literally so shiny. It has a little logo right here. I know you can't really see that. I'll try getting it to focus. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it has the little logo right there. You could wear this every day, but I got this one because I like to wear a little bit more sparkle for like special occasions, so that's the reason why I got that one. And then I know one of these is like a mystery. Oh wait, I think it's this one. I'm gonna do this one last because that's kind of exciting. Before I open the other ones, at the bottom of the box, so at the bottom of the box it had this little card with the logo on it once again, and then if you open it up, it has a little thank you card, and that also comes with cute stickers. I love these because I like putting them on like notebooks or water bottles. Then I got, let's see what's on this one. Okay, this is the matching bracelet. I did get the matching bracelet because I just thought it would look so cute to have the necklace on and then like be matching with the little tennis bracelet. And you guys, tennis bracelets are very expensive. I've wanted one for so long and I just have not gotten one because they're all really expensive. But what I like about their brand is very nicely priced for the quality of jewelry that it is. This is so cute, and I'm going on vacation, so I'll definitely be taking these with me. I got a ring, which, oh, I forgot I got this. Wait, I actually forgot. This little ring I got, this is so cute and like simple. I hope it fits me. I got a size 5. I do have really small fingers, so I'm hoping it fits, but it's just a gold ring with a little jewel right there. Sorry, I couldn't see. I usually like it for my middle finger. If it didn't fit my middle finger, I probably would have done this one, but this one's a little smaller. This one was also a really good price. I think it was like $27 because it was on sale. So their jewelry is really nice quality. They do have a really good selection of jewelry that's on sale as well. And that's how I got this little one. I have another one after this one. I got so many. So these ones are earrings. I'm so excited to change these earrings out because I got these ones at TJ Maxx and they are actually rusting. They're turning green because I shower with them and you're not supposed to do that. But I finally won't have to do that with these ones. I could just keep them in. So I got these little hoops and they have little, like, let me try focusing the camera. They have little like jewels on them. As you can tell, I like gold jewelry, so I used to like silver, but I've been more into gold now. And then this one is the one I remember ordering. This is the rings that I ordered. I love these little baggies. I'm gonna be using these when I travel. So this one's in this little black packaging, and it's 2 rings. I used to have these rings that I got also from TJ Maxx. I usually only get my jewelry from TJ Maxx, but it always messes up and tarnishes because it's not high quality jewelry. But it's 2 rings and they looked like this. This is the rings. Oh my gosh, I love these. It literally this is exactly how I imagined them. So it's 2 rings. If I wanted, I could wear them like separate. Like I could wear one by itself like this, but I just love how they look together. This is so cute. And I got these ones in a size 5 as well. Lastly, I did get a mystery one. So I'm really excited for that because I actually don't know what that is. So they sent me a mystery item So let's see. I feel like it might be earrings. What do you guys think it is? What is it? Oh, it is earrings. Okay. It's 2 gold. I'm so glad that these are gold. They're gonna match. Wait, guys, I could literally use these. What are the other earrings I got? I literally got a whole new earring set. This is literally perfect. So it's these little gold hoops. I love hoop earrings, so this is gonna look perfect, especially with the other ones that I ordered. These are such nice quality earrings. Guys, that was so exciting. Okay, I'm gonna try the jewelry on now so you guys can see what it looks like. So I'm gonna take out my earrings that I have and take this necklace off so we can try on everything. Okay guys, so I tried on some of the jewelry, so I'm gonna show it to you guys. So I have the rings on. This is how I'm gonna wear them. So I like this one on this finger. This one fits a little bit smaller, so that's why I put it on this finger. This one I put on my middle finger. And then these are the earrings. They're so cute. This one was my cartilage one I already had, but these ones are the new ones that I just got. It's literally the perfect earring stack. Oh, this one also says the logo. That's so cute. Put it on myself. So this is the bracelet. It's so shiny. And then this is the necklace. Literally wanted one of these forever. I can't believe I finally have one. Okay guys, this is the necklace. I did it on the tightest one, but it has like different ones that you can do it on. You could probably do it less tight, but I just did it on the first one that I was able to. So this is the necklace and then the bracelet that matches. Guys, I literally have so much jewelry on. I love it so much and it looks so cute. I also have a link if you guys want to check their jewelry out. I'm gonna leave it in the description down below. Definitely recommend checking them out. They have a bunch of different jewelry to choose from. I love my new jewelry and I'll be wearing these pieces all the time. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!